हेलो एवरीवन जय जगन्नाथ स्वागत करुच्ची विराज जीके एक्सप्रेस को आशा करे आपण माने भलरे थिबे एवं आपनकर प्रिपरेशन मध्ये भलरे चलीथिबो। क्वेश्चन आरंभ करिया पूर्वरु आपण माने समस्त मां सरस्वती को प्रणाम करंतु। Who said this? The revolt 1857 was an eruption of social volcano where many spent forces found vent. After the eruption, the whole social topography had changed. The scars if rebellion remained deep and shining. Answer is option B. Ashok Mehta. शिशिर कुमार घोष, शंभू चांद मुखेरी, काली मोहन दास, and Jogesh Chandra Dutt were editor of. Answer is option A. Amrit Bazar Patrika. Which of the British Acts provided for the establishment of All India Federation at the centre? Answer is option A. The Government of India Act 1935. The cabinet mission arrived in Delhi on. Answer is option C. March 24, 1946. The British government declared Communist Party of India illegal in. Answer is option B. 1934. The Indian people play people's role in the People's War was the slogan of. Answer is option C. Communist Party of India. In 1942, who appealed the Britishers to leave India in God's hands? Answer is option D. Mahatma Gandhi. Individual Satyagraha, symbolic and non-violent in nature, was started on. Answer is option B. October 17, 1940. Which slogan was given by the Congress in opposition to British government involving India in Second World War in 1939 without consulting the people of India? Answer is option C. ना कोई भाई ना कोई पाई. In the election held in 1937 under the provisions of the Government of India Act of 1935, Congress ministries were formed in. Answer is option A. 11 states. Under which British Act was the provision to establish a Federation of India consisting of governors, provinces, and princely states made? Answer is option D. Government of India Act 1935. When was Pune Pact between Mahatma Gandhi and Dr. B. R. Ambedkar signed? Answer is option D. 1932. The British Prime Minister Attlee announced the withdrawal of the Britishers in the House of Commons from India on. Answer is option B. February 20, 1947. Who said India is for Indians? Answer is option D. Dayananda Saraswati. Who said one country, one God, one caste, one mind? brothers, all of us without difference, without doubt. Answer is option A, V.D. Savarkar. United India House organized unity among Indians in the United States of America in. Answer is option C, 1910. Who in the year 1907 unfurled the first national flag at the International Socialist Conference in Stuttgart, Germany? Answer is option A, Madame Gikaji Kama. In 1906, to protest discrimination against Indians in South Africa, Mahatma Gandhi started. Answer is option D, Satyagraha at Johannesburg. Subhash Chandra Bose was elected the President of the Indian National Congress. Answer is option C, Tripuri Session 1939. Bal Gangadhar Tilak began his drive for new awakening among the Indians by publishing two newspapers in 1881. Answer is option A, the Maratha and Kesari. Whom did the Britishers call the father of Indian disaffection and the biggest traitor? Answer is option A, Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Who established in 1893 the Society for the Removal of Obstacles to the Hindu Religion? Answer is option C, the Chapekar brothers. Raja Rammohn Roy founded Brahma Samaj on. Answer is option B, 20 August 1828. Gandhiji launched the non-cooperation movement in. Answer is option D, 1920. Swami Sahajanand Saraswati was the first president of. Answer is option C, All India Kisan Mahasabha. Partition of Bengal was revoked in 1911 during the Viceroy of. Answer is option A, Lord Hardinge. Quiet India movement began on. Answer is option C, August 8, 1942. Under which document was the separate electorate granted for Muslims? Answer is option D, Parliamento reforms. Lucknow Pact of 1916 was between. Answer is option B, Indian Muslim League and Indian National Congress. As your last question, during the tenure of which Governor General was the resolution of total independence passed? Answer is option A, Lord Irwin. थैंक यू आशा करी क्लास टी आपको भल लगी जदि आपण मानक क्लास टी भल लगी थाए ताहले सब्सक्राइब करिया पे भूलिबेनी लाइक एवं कमेंट मध्य करिवे आपण मानक सहित पुणी देखा नेक्स्ट न्यू क्लास रे जय जगन्नाथ नमस्कार।